Large language models are one of the most powerful technologies in history, but in their raw form, they fall short for serious work. You depend on a single model with its biases and blind spots, with no way to verify accuracy or explore alternatives. Copy paste into another tool? Start over with a new prompt? It's tedious to build on results or embed them into real workflows. Often it ends in ungoverned chaos. Employees experiment on their own, creating compliance risks and inconsistent practices, a nightmare for IT and security leaders. Allwis changes the game with power, precision, and peace of mind. Multi-model orchestration. Allwis routes queries to the best-suited models, including your own secure, self-hosted options. Cross-validates responses and delivers results with reliability scores and sources you can trust. The ultimate AI workbench. Results update directly into your spreadsheet, ready to be refined with formulas, logic, formatting, and visualizations. The unique smart card reporting capability enables seamless collaborative reporting for AI content, allowing teams to build shared insights and create living documents that evolve with your analysis. The entire process is securely governed. Prompts are verified before leaving your environment, automatically logged, and aligned to proven processes. Teams reach new levels of productivity without nightmares for your IT. Start your trial now or contact our success team on how to add Allwis revolutionary AI capabilities to your software solution.